Everyone, I am Faisal Mangalgiri. Today, today is 22nd December 2021 and our today's topic is types of operators and unary operators. In Java, operators are the symbols which are used to perform operations. Example of operators are plus operator, minus operator, multiplication operator, division operator, etc. Let us see about types of operators. Types of operators contains arithmetic operators, unary operators, arithmetic operators, shift operators, relational operators, bitwise operators, logical operators, and it also contains ternary operator and assignment operators. Let us see these types one by one. First, let us see about unary operators in Java. Unary operators are again divided into two types, that are postfix operators and postfix unary operators and prefix unary operators. When we write variable name plus plus, then it is called as a postfix unary operator. When we write plus plus before a variable name, then it is called a prefix unary operator. Unary operator requires only one operand. There are many uses of unary operator, that are: the first use of a unary operator is by using it we can increment or decrement a value by 1. Second use of unary operator is we can negotiating an expression. Third use of a unary operator is we can invert the value of boolean. Let us see about the second type of operators, that is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are again divided into two types, that are multiplicative arithmetic operators and additive arithmetic operators. Multiplicative arithmetic operators contains multiplication, division, and mod operators, and additive arithmetic operators contains plus operator and minus operator. These arithmetic operators are used to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These arithmetic operators act as basic mathematical operators. Java do not support operator overloading except for plus operator, because plus operator is used for addition and it also used for concatenation. Example of arithmetic operators are 10 plus 10, it gives 20. This plus sign is act as a plus operator. The third type of operators, that is shift operator. Shift operator is again divided into two types, that is left shift operator, which is denoted by a two less than symbols, and another type of shift operator, that is right shift operator, which is denoted by two greater than symbols. Let us first see what is left shift operator. Left shift operator is used for it is used to shift all bit values to a left side of a of a specific number of times. Example of left shift operator is 10 2 less than symbols 2. It means 10 into 2 raised to 2, that is equal to 40. Let us see about right shift operator. Right shift operator is used to shift all bit values to a right side of a specified number of times. Example of right shift operator is 10 greater than 2 greater than symbols 2. It means 10 divided by 2 raised to 2, which gives answer 2. Let us see about bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are again divided into two types, that are bitwise AND operator and bitwise OR operator. Bitwise AND operator is denoted by a single ampersand symbol, and bitwise OR operator is denoted by a single standing line. Bitwise AND operator always check both the conditions whether first condition is true or false. Bitwise OR operator checks both the conditions whether first condition is true or false. Let us see logical or conditional operators. These logical or conditional operators are divided into two types, that are logical AND operator and logical OR operator. Logical AND operator is denoted by double ampersand symbol, and logical OR operator is denoted by double standing lines. Logical AND operator do not check second condition if first condition is false. Logical operator only checks second condition only if it checks second condition only when first condition is true. Let us see about logical OR operator. Logical OR operator does not check second condition if first condition is true. Logical operator checks second condition only when first condition is false. The next type of operator that is assignment operators. These operators are equal to, plus, equal to, or minus equal to, or multiplication equal to, etc. These operators are used commonly. These operators are used to assign values which are present on right side to a operand which is present on left side. Let us see about the next type of operator, that is ternary operator. Ternary operator contains two parts. The first one is question mark part and second one is colon part. This ternary operator is used in replacement for if-else statement. Ternary operator is only operator which uses three operands. It is used to evaluate Boolean expressions. This ternary operator decides which value is assigned to a variable. It makes code easy, readable, and shorter. Syntax for ternary operator is variable equal to in bracket condition, after that question mark, expression 1 colon expression 2. In this statement, if condition returns true, then expression 1, that is question mark part, is executed. Else expression 2, that is colon part, is executed. And final result is saved in a variable. Thank you.